Hey everybody, welcome back. You know, a couple of months ago, I did an air layer of an entire papaya tree. I did the entire trunk of the tree, and here it is. I'm here to say that from what I see here, and if you watch that video entry where you saw the container, from the container all the way up to here, this is the transplant of the papaya tree that came from the double. And I'll post a video over here so you can see how I severed the trunk and then moved the tree with the little bit of roots that it had developed into that container that you're looking at right here. And lo and behold, through the winter, never brought the tree inside. It was 39 degrees out here in Davie, Florida, and I am confident that this tree is going to begin to really bush out with plenty of new fronds. I mean, this is brand new, this is brand new, this is brand new. The inside there's a ton of growth going on. And if I get enough people, let's see, this video, once this video comes out, from the day it comes out, if in 1 week I have 50 likes, I just need 50 likes, and I'm gonna do an entire video on step-by-step actually air layering, how to do the cut, how to do everything to air layer a papaya tree. And I'm not talking about a little piece of the papaya tree. If you want, that's what you can do. But I'll show you the technique, and then you can apply it to whatever you want, to whatever part of the tree you want to apply it to. So for the people that left comments and said that this wasn't going to work, I believe, yeah, probably it's pretty scary, and that you're probably, your first thought that it wasn't going to work were fairly justified, I guess, because there wasn't that much roots. But we got it to work. We're really proud of that, and we will share how we did it step by step. In other words, the way we cut into the tree, what we did, what we applied, and the process from A to Z. But I need 50 likes. Okay, so that's a quick update on the papaya tree. One quick point, it's actually been flowering, and I'll do a close-up here in a minute. It was actually flowering, and I've had to remove the flowers, because by removing the flowers, I'm allowing it to put its energy into vegetative growth, because I need a lot of leaves on here. And my idea here is that I want to grow this papaya tree in the container, come back to you in the future and show you this tree doing marvelous, loaded with fruit. That's the idea. Now, the reason I did it also was because it was challenging, but because I wanted to move the tree from there to over here. So watch those other videos, you'll get a little bit more insight, and I'll post a link to those videos in the description. Well, actually, I'll post those videos up here above my head someplace, and you'll see them. Okay, anyway, thanks for stopping by. This is a little quick video, quick little update on the papaya tree that we air layered. Thanks everybody, have a great day.